Hey, Heather.
Hey, Courtney, how's it going?
Great. So I've been following your Facebook page, and it sounds like the West Company has a lot of new exciting classes and services available for existing businesses.
Wow, I'm glad to know people are following our work, and yes, we do. We have been working really hard to bring new and exciting programs and new independent advisors to better serve the businesses in our community.
Really? Like what?
Well, we have our Profit Mastery class that will be taking place in Ukiah this winter. It's a financial management program that has been getting rave reviews. And we have new independent advisors that have specialty knowledge in things like branding and marketing and product development, not to mention our existing staff of highly qualified consulting professionals.
That sounds great, but is it expensive? How much does it cost to become a West Company client?
It doesn't cost anything to become a West Company client. As host of the Mendocino Women's Business Center and the Small Business Development Center, most of our services are funded by grants, which means that it doesn't cost anything to become a client. Now, some of our specialty courses like Profit Mastery do have fees associated, but most of our services are offered at little or no cost.
Wow, that's great. How do I get started?
It's really easy. All you do is go to our website at www.westcompany.org and you click the Apply Online button. Somebody will contact you shortly and we'll set up an individualized, unique consulting program for your business or your idea.
Thanks, Heather. You know, I have a new idea for a business. I'm going to start right now.
Great, I can't wait to hear about it. Did you know that West Company has been building better businesses for over 22 years? Will yours be the next?